Okay, give her some heat, buddy.
I don't know where you want this heat.
Just heat it right here, he said.
Alright, wait, I'll show you. So, basically here, this bar needs to be heated because this bar is actually the bar that's bent. And then heat that joint right there too. I was going to use the come along, but then I became too impatient. So, I'll show you come along. Back and forth so it doesn't get time for one of them to cool down a lot.
We're just gonna send her? I think it's time to send her.
I think we're good.
You think so?
You get in there, Kate.
Go!
Alright.
Give him the keys.
So how do brakes work?
Nice ass. Oh my god, that was scary.
Hi.
We're fixing race cars.
Is your window open, Noah? Alright, just put it in 4 and just go slow.
Sunday.
Just go slow, bro.
Go real fast.
Alright. Stop! Stop! God damn it, Noah. Yeah, way too far. Bro.
Did it work? Oh. Slow. Oh yeah, that.
Oh, it broke the tube off.
If you squint really hard.
Shut up!
Right here, like
I'm sorry, buddy.
this junction right here.
Heat it up where it's bent. Heat it.
Here, we'll see if she'll go. Naturally aspirated.
Naturally aspirated.
Give her some boost,
She's going
Teddy.
a little bit.
Give her some boost. That was sexy.
Yeah.
Oh, dude, that's like. This is the correct way to push it up.
Well, it's going a little bit.
Keep going until the tire's off the ground, or the jacks.
Oh, yes, that's proper.
Keep going, keep going. I'd stop. Oh, wait, keep going. I moved up.
I think it's max.
Oh, look at that sexy cinema. You ever seen somebody this, like, look at that. Just look at that. Look at that concentration. I think you scratched it. There you go. You put.
No, it's not good, but like it's better.
DJ.
Okay.
Now cut to the right. No, to the left, I mean. Yeah.
Oh! This is right on target.
Oh, yeah.
Right there. What's up, guys? It's been about 2 days since I pulled my bumper out professionally. Oh! So it's looking pretty even now. There's that one bulge there, but other than that, the spacing is the same as it used to be. I know it looks a little less on that side, but that's only because there's still an existing fender here, and here it's smashed in. But not to worry, that's all going to be repaired. Now I'm just finishing it up, and first I wet sanded it with some 400 grit just to get ready for like the primer slash paint, and then I'm gonna be washing it now and then drying it, and then once that's done, it's time for the paint. And this time around I'm gonna hit it with some clear coat, which I did not do last time. And you can kind of tell, just it chipped, got dinged around a little bit. Obviously it's a little bit wet sanded now, so that's why the lines are there, but it did get chipped a little bit. The clear coat should give it a little bit of extra protection that I initially needed. And I'm gonna do the back as well, so it's gonna be looking nice and clean again. Dried it with a towel and blew it out a little bit. Are you serious right now? Really? Again? It's like every time. Go away. So anyway, I washed it off, dried it off with a towel, and blew it out with the compressor. It's time to tape off the surrounding areas I don't want to get paint on. And then I'll start to hit it with some fresh looking paint. So I got this side all masked off real good, and then I'll just move this over once I get this side. Front's done. I still need to hit it with the clear coat, but I decided while I'm at it, may as well take the D-shackles off my rear bumper, re-grease them, and paint my rear bumper as well, since it's about time anyway. Alrighty guys, so this is the bumper, fully painted, clear coated. You know, after I attempted to straighten it out, it's definitely better than it was. It looks a little bit worse than it is right now because this fender is currently beat in, so it looks like that part's lower, but it's actually pretty even. There's just that one kind of little bend in the middle that's not super nice looking, but I think now that it's painted and everything, it looks super clean again. The headlights are coming. They'll be here in about 2 days. And then the projectors will be shortly on their way as well. Re-greased my shackles, so that's nice. But yeah, if you stuck around this long, thanks for watching, and please consider subscribing if you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Put it in 4 and just go slow.
Sunday.
Just go slow, bro.
Going real fast.